Hello kids, good afternoon. My name is Priyanka and I am taking your English period today. So, are you ready for that? Okay, so today we are going to learn new letters. What? New letters. Letter M and N. N. What? M. N. M. N. Yes. First, we will revise all the letters. So, you have to say after me loudly. A says A for apple. A says A for apple. B says B for ball. B says B for ball. C says C for cat. C says C for cat. D says D for dog. D says D for dog. E says E for elephant. E says E for elephant. F says F for fish. F says F for fish. G says G says G for goat. G says G for goat. H says H says H for hat. H says H for hat. H says H for hat. I says I says I for ice cream. I says I for ice cream. J says J says J for jug. J says J for jug. K says K for kite. K says K for kite. L says L for lion. Yes, so these all are letters we learned till today. Now today we are going to learn two new letters. Letter M, letter N. Okay everyone? So here we have to write first letter M. What we have to write first? Letter M. How to write letter M? So, I will tell you how to write letter M. First, we will write capital M. What we are going to write first? Capital M. First, we have to draw standing line. Which line is this? This is standing line. Again one standing line. What we have to draw? Again one standing line. Then join into slanting line and again slanting line. This is M. Capital M. What is it? Capital M. M for? Who will tell me what is M for? M for mango. Do you like mango? What is the color of mango? What is the color of mango? Tell me what is the color of mango? Orange or yellow? This is a mango. We will color the mango. Okay. What is it? This is mango. Here we have 4 lines. How many lines here? 4 lines. But for M, we are using only 3 lines. Okay everyone? Look here. We have here pink, blue, blue and again pink. Means we have 4 lines here. But we are going to use only 3 lines. Pink, blue and blue. Okay? So, we have to start with the pink line and draw one standing line. And here also we have to draw one standing line and join one slanting line to blue line. Slanting line to blue line. This is capital M. What is it? Capital M. M says M. We have to learn phonic sound also. So what is the phonic sound of M? This is M for M says M. Come on, say loudly everyone. M says M. Yes. M says M. M for mango. M says M. M for monkey. M says M. M for mat. Yes. So this is a capital M. Now we are going to learn how to write a small m. So here we have to draw again one standing line. Small standing line. Small standing line we have to draw here. Then standing line, go upside, draw half circle and again half circle. This is a small m. What is it? Small m. Yes. How to write small m in 4 lines? Here also we are going to use only 2 lines. How many lines? 2 lines. 2 blue lines. Can you see that blue lines? Yes. So here standing line, again go upside, half circle and again half circle. You have to draw like this in a good handwriting. Standing line, half circle and again half circle. Standing line, half circle and again half circle. Standing line, half circle and again half circle. This is a small m. Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. M says M. Come on, say loudly everyone. You have to read it, learn it and write it properly. M says M. M for monkey. Okay? Now we will learn how to write capital N and small n. Okay everyone? For capital N, we have to draw here standing line. This is standing line and again one standing line. This is again one standing line and draw one standing line to one point to another point. This is capital N. What is it? Capital N. How to write capital N in 4 lines? Here also we have to use only 3 lines. From pink line we will start and from to blue line. Again standing line and slanting line. This is capital N. Again we have to draw it. Standing line and slanting line. Standing line, slanting line. This is a capital N. N says N. Here also we have to learn first phonic sound. What we have to learn first? Phonic sound. It is helps you to read a word, read a sentence. Okay everyone? So you have to say N says N. N says N. N says N. N for nest. N says N. N for nose. Here we will draw a nest. Okay? This is a nest. What is it? Nest. this is a egg in nest. Egg होते हैं ना nest में. This is a nest and this is a egg in nest. And again we have to draw nose. This is our nose. N says no. N for nose also. Yes. Now we will draw small n. How to write small n? Here, first we have to write on standing line. Standing line, go upside and half circle. Standing line, go upside and half circle. Like this we have to draw small n. Here also we have to write small n in 2 lines only. 2 blue lines we have to use. Standing line, join half circle. 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 This is a small n. Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. N says no. N for nest. N says no. N for nose. So here I have 2 cards for you. This is M. M. What is it? What is it? This is capital M and small m. Yes. And M for mat. What is it? Mat. M says ma. M for mat. M says ma. M for monkey. Yes. And we have here nose. N. N. N capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. And N says no. N for nose. Nose. Where is your nose? Come on, touch to your nose, everyone. Touch your nose. Yes. N says no. N for nose. N says no. N for nest. Yes, these 2 letters we learned today. And here I have one card for you. We have so many pictures of letter M. So come on, who will tell me? This is monkey. Wow. M for monkey also. M for mango. M for mirror. M for mat. Look here, mat is there. Mat. M for milk. All things related to letter M. And one more I have for you. This is for letter N. What is it? N. Come on, read it. N. N for 9. Look here. N-I-N-E 9. 9 number. Number name of 9. N for 9. This is nest. N for nest. This is also net. Net. What is it? Net. This is nurse. N for nurse. N for newspaper. N for newspaper. Yes. So here also we have so many pictures of letter N. So everyone got it? How to write M and how to write N? You have to use 3 lines only for capital letter and 2 lines only for small letters. You have to write in a good handwriting. Okay. Now we will take one question. Okay. You have to look that picture and tell me what is a letter. What is a correct letter? Look at the picture and write the correct letter. Okay. So first picture. What is the first picture is? Who will tell me? So everyone, we have to look the picture carefully and write the correct letter. Okay. So which picture is this? Who will tell me which picture is this? This is X. What is it? X. And this is ant. So what we have to write here? Capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. Yes, like that. Next is, which picture is this? This is a gate. What is it? Gate. And this is grapes. Grapes. Yes. So what we have to write here? Capital G and a small g. Now which picture is this? This is a key. What is it? Key. And this is kite. We have to write here capital K, small k, capital K, small k. And there, now which picture is this? This is fan and this is fox. F, what we have to write here? Capital F, small f. Yes. Now here, which picture is this? Mat, mat. And this is monkey, monkey. Capital M, small m. Yes. This is egg, egg. And this is elephant. So what I have to write here? Capital E and small e. Yes. So understand everyone, we have to write like this. Look at the picture and write correct letter. Yes. And now we will learn two-letter word. Two-letter word. I gave you in your worksheet A. What we have to call it? A. Then next is I. You have to say I only. Then next is AB, ab. AB, ab. And AD, add. This is a two-letter words. From today we are going to learn two-letter words also. Understand? So you have to learn it. Okay everyone, so today our session is finished. Bye bye. Take care.